Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can turn off in-app purchases on iPhone. So if you're worried about accidental purchase on your iPhone, here's how you can disable in-app purchases using screen time. Open up your settings. Inside here, you want to go ahead and simply scroll below, then tap on screen time. Now inside screen time, scroll below again, then tap on content and privacy restriction, and make sure you toggle this button on. Once you turn on this button, you'll then be able to find these options. Now inside here, go ahead and simply tap on iTunes and App Store purchases, and you'll then be able to see three options. Go ahead and simply tap on in-app purchases, and then finally choose don't allow to completely block in-app purchases. That's it. You have turned off in-app purchases on your iPhone. No more surprising charges. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.